Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings and tap General, then choose Date and Time to access clock controls. This screen shows the set automatically toggle and the time zone field. If your iPhone shows the wrong time, start here to view automatic settings. Look at the top to confirm your iOS recognizes network time information. If Set Automatically is enabled, the carrier or Wi-Fi will usually provide clock data. If it is disabled, the time and time zone will be editable manually on the same screen. If Set Automatically is on, toggle it off to edit time and time zone manually. After toggling off, tap the time zone field and enter a city or region name. Use the on-screen time picker to set the correct hour and minute when manual control is needed. Make sure AM or PM is correct for 12-hour displays. Tap back to save changes and return to the main settings screens. Check the lock screen to confirm the new time displays immediately after adjustment. Toggle Set Automatically back on to resync with carrier or Wi-Fi network time if needed. If the clock still shows the wrong time after changing settings, restart your iPhone to clear temporary errors. A restart often resolves minor network or software timing issues quickly. If problems persist, update iOS to the latest version to include bug fixes related to timekeeping. As a last resort, reset network settings to force a fresh time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.